JTS TK series cardioid dynamic microphone. A quick unboxing. I'm going to walk you through this unboxing using a voiceover so that you can sample the sound for yourself. A little sound test if you may. I'm recording straight into a Zoom H1. I'm not going to edit the sound except for normalizing it to -15 LUFS. Pay close attention to the noise floor and also the background noises. I'm recording in an untreated room. Without much ado, let's get into it. Quick look at the box. Branding all around. As you might have guessed, made in China. Some more information on this microphone and the same on the other side. Packaging is meh. The mic, but before that, included is a mic clip, instruction booklet. It is more of an information booklet rather. The mic itself, it is heavy, built of solid aluminum, I'm guessing. XLR male pins at the bottom, on off switch is of okay quality, fit and finish not that great. Let's have a look at the capsule. The mesh itself is strong and does not bend. The capsule itself, inside I don't think you can make it out, but it has got a foam pop filter. Until now you have been listening to the mic 6 inches away from my mouth. I have had to turn up the gain, especially since this microphone is of 600 ohms output impedance. And right now I'm going to move this mic 2 inches away from my mouth and turn the gain down. Check test. This is the mic 2 inches away from my mouth. You will notice that the noise floor has gone down considerably and also my voice is getting a proximity effect.